friends!
Welcome back to our channel. Happy to Kids.
Today we will talk about living and non-living things. What are living things?
Living things are things that are alive, like us. We can breathe, drink water, talk, eat, respond, and grow.
All living things need air, water, and food.
Examples of living things are people, animal, and plants.
Plants?
Yes, plants too are living things.
Why?
Because they need water, soil, sunlight, and air for them to grow into a big tree. Plants uses energy from the sun to make food. Without water, sunlight, air, the plants will die.
How do we know it's a living thing?
All living things need sunlight, water, food, and air to live and grow. Living things breathe, living things grow and reproduce. Living things show movement, living things adapt to change in their environment to survive. Living things are active, they eat and respond.
Now let's talk about non-living things.
This glass, a pen, and a phone are non-living things because they don't breathe and they don't eat. Non-living things do not need any food, water, or air. Non-living things can't move on its own. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things are not alive.
Remember, friends, living things are those that are alive, and non-living things are those are not alive.
Let's start our activity.
3.
Sister, is tree a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing.
Why?
Because the tree needs sunlight, water for it to grow. Shoes.
Sister, is shoes a living thing or a non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Why?
Because shoes don't need water and food.
Good.
Thank you. Ants.
Is an ant living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Why?
Because an ant can walk, drink, and eat food. Rose.
Sister, is rose a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Why?
Because the rose can grow. Bee.
Is it a non-living thing or a living thing?
The bee is a living thing.
Why?
Because the bee is alive.
Bowl.
Bowl is a non-living thing.
Why?
Because the bowl cannot move or grow.
Piano.
Piano is a non-living thing.
Why?
Because piano cannot move or grow.
Sofa.
Sofa is a non-living thing.
Why?
Because the sofa cannot move and sofa cannot eat food.
Drum.
Drum is a non-living thing.
Why?
Because the drum cannot move or it cannot eat or it cannot grow. Postman is a living thing because it is alive, it can drink, it can eat food, and it can talk.
Sparrow.
Sparrow is a living thing.
Why?
Because it can eat food, it can drink, and fly. A doctor is a living thing because a doctor can walk, move, eat, and drink.
Crab.
Crab is a living thing because it is alive and it can move. Cinnamon plant. Cinnamon plant is a living thing because it can grow. Socks. Socks is a non-living thing because it cannot move.
Friends, I hope you understood the concept of living things and non-living things.
Please do subscribe and share.
Bye everyone!